Running low on disk space is a common problem with an automatic solution. In this video, we will explain how to free up disk space automatically in Windows. The key tool is Storage Sense, a built-in feature that cleans junk files for you on a schedule. To set it up, open Settings, go to System, then Storage, and turn on Storage Sense. Once enabled, click into its settings to customize how it works. You can have it run automatically when your disk space runs low or on a regular schedule like daily, weekly, or monthly. Storage Sense can empty your recycle bin after a set number of days, delete temporary files that apps no longer need, and clear out old files in your Downloads folder if you choose. It can even manage your cloud-synced files, keeping rarely used ones online only to save local space. This means your computer cleans itself without you remembering to do it. You can also run a manual cleanup anytime from the same screen. Setting up automatic cleanup keeps your drive healthy and your computer running smoothly, all without any ongoing effort from you.